Okay, go ahead and drink it fast. Drink the water. Drink the water. Is it too hot? What did we try? Okay. You don't like mouthwash? No. Well, your breath smells good. Want to try mouthwash? Should Jaden try mouthwash? A little bit? Okay.
Is it hot? Lisa,
Do you know how to swish in your mouth?
It's very hot. It's very hot. I better get
Yeah, get some water. You're gonna want some water.
It's very hot.
You gotta swish. Don't swallow it. Just keep it in your mouth. Don't swallow. Don't swallow. Swish, swish, swish. And when you're ready, spit it out. Do you swallow it?
Nope.
And go, ah. It's hot, huh? Do you like it? You do? Taylor doesn't like it.
Can I use a cloth?
Yeah.